guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm so excited today to announce a new partner. You may have seen me tagging them in some of my photos over the past couple months. I have teamed up with Kumo Tires USA on this build and my journey into drifting. I'm so excited to be working with them. I've actually already worked with them before when I test drove the Fiat 124 rally car, and am now excited to be working with them on this drift build. We're gonna be doing some amazing stuff together, putting out some awesome content, and shredding a lot of Kumo tires. Big shout out and thank you to Kumo Tires for joining me on this journey. I actually went and picked up my first few sets of tires, so check it out. No big deal, just arrived at the Kumo Tire warehouse and we're picking up some tires. This place is insane. I have never seen this many tires in one place. Got the tires! Awesome! Again, big thank you, shout out to Kumo Tires. I'm so excited for this partnership, and you guys stay tuned for some awesome content from me and Kumo Tires. Obviously, from the title of this video, today I'm gonna be plasti dipping my rims from MST wheels. Unfortunately, I really need to get this done today so I can get those Kumo tires on these rims and those rims on my car ASAP. I cannot find the hot paint plasti dip anywhere. I actually have this neon yellow plasti dip from when I plasti dipped my RX-8 rims, and I can't find neon pink anywhere, so don't hate me, internet. I'm actually gonna be using this for the hot pink. This isn't plasti dip. It's just regular like hot pink spray that you can put on metal, wood, plastic, anything. And I'm gonna put white plasti dip on all the rims first. Then I'm gonna hit it with this hot paint for 2 rims, and then this neon yellow plasti dip for the other 2 rims. I have 2 rims that are already white, and I'm gonna keep them white because maybe I'll want to throw on white rims every now and then. I don't know, I may want to switch it up, so I'm going to keep 2 of my rims white. I'm going to be putting this Hide Loss clear coat over all of them. I'm hoping this might make them easier to clean, like maybe the surface from the clear coat will make dirt wash off a little bit easier. I don't know, I'm just experimenting, so I'll do the experimenting for you if you're ever thinking about that yourself. And I'll also be experimenting with what happens when you put a color over plasti dip. We'll see what happens, fingers crossed. Let's get to it. Start just painting everything with this white plasti dip. I have 3 whites. I hope that's enough. I got 2 neon yellow cans, 2 pink cans, and then 2 high gloss clear coat cans. I do not remember plasti dip spraying like this, and I just switched to a different can because I thought maybe the other can was like messed up. I did not remember it spraying like this last time. Okay, so that's why it's spraying so crappy, because it's freezing. Yeah. Okay.
So like when things are cold, all the molecules are tight. You want to get it hot. Or just warm out.
I didn't remember if like that's how PLASTIDIP sprayed or what. Oh yeah. Oh wow, look at that. Way better. Alright, so now we know that that is not how PLASTIDIP is supposed to spray. It's because it's actually freezing right now. That was another pro tip by DK to use a heat gun, warm it up, then your problem's fixed. Looking awesome. I could have used 5 tans if I really wanted to get the inside looking as good as the front on all of them. But honestly, this will be fine. You're not really gonna see the inside. I just know you'll see it a little bit through the rims. So I'm just gonna use this as like a good base coat and then throw the color on it. Here's this one, looking awesome. And this one as well. And now they're ready for some color. Alright, it's getting dark here at like 5 p.m. So I'm gonna go look for a flashlight. Oh, finally. I mean, the color is done. Still have to add the clear coat on everything. I used 2 tans of the neon yellow PLASTIDIP for 2 rims and then 2 cans of the neon pink spray paint for those wheels. If you're not doing the inside, you might be okay with 1 can, but to be extra thorough, I would just get 2. They're like glowing in the dark. It's so awesome. Oh, I love them. So I got the inside, the part that you'll see on each one. And the outside. And I got the inside of both the pink ones as well.
Yep, yeah, that's about right.
Alright, DK's gonna hit it with a clear coat. DK with a clear coat.
I am spraying the clear coat on thy pink wheels.
For thy noble Steve wagon.
For thy ladies.
Wench.
Oh my god, this is so bright.
Yes. Yes.
She'll be proud.
Man, they're so pretty, even in the dark. Dang.
Wait, we need gangster music. Hold on.
Clear coat on.
Light, please.
Ah!
Ew.
My gosh, shiny! That's great.
Hurts my eyes. I can see it from like my 9 o'clock.
There you go. Thank you. I'm about to cry. PLASTIDIP did not work out. This is like 5 days after I painted them and they're completely destroyed. So, yeah. Oh my gosh, why? When did PLASTIDIP get this bad? It's crazy. That's so bad though. It's just the rubber touching and taking it all off. It rubber touched right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was just the tire going on that took it off.
Yeah, duh.
There, yeah. What can you do? This one hasn't been mounted yet, so it's pretty. So I'm gonna get video of it while it's still pretty. Man, I watched him put them on. He didn't use the machine in a weird way. It was part of the tire when he was putting it on that just touched the PLASTIDIP that ripped everything off. Okay, from far away they look good though. See? Honestly, at least like from far away, it's not that noticeable, like whatever. But if I would have known it would rip off that easily, I would have definitely powder coated them instead of spent all the money on all that layers of PLASTIDIP and then that nice clear coat that I had. Oh well. Now everybody on YouTube can learn from my mistakes.
Oh no.
Oh man. Oh well. Car will still look good. I am a little disappointed, but learned from my mistakes, and I probably will get them powder coated, just not anytime soon. So, oh well, I'm gonna put them on the car and I'm sure they'll still look good. To lift my spirits a little bit, I'm gonna open this package now. I was gonna wait, but I'm really excited to show you guys. They look so good. They look so good. These are my new lug nuts. Oh, I'm not sure if you can tell how amazing these are. Yes. I actually got these off of Amazon. Funny enough, I get so much of my stuff off Amazon. I'll probably put a link in the description below if you're interested in them, but these are amazing. These will actually match my steering wheel and these covers for the pedals that I got. It looks so good. This will make me ignore all the PLASTIDIP that has already come off my rims. I'll just try and stare at these and be happy. So, let's see what they look like.